Hello friends, my name is Shalini. Welcome to my channel, My Life, My Style. In today's video, I'm going to share some miscellaneous stuff that I got from Amazon. I bought few things for my kitchen and few things for my bathroom and a couple of things here and there. So without wasting any more time, let's just start the video. The first product that I ordered is a toothbrush toothpaste holder set from iHave. Why I ordered this is because I did not want anything on my counter space because it gets very difficult to clean the counter when you have something on counter. So I wanted something that I can mount on my wall, and that way my counter space is all free. Let me just open this and show it to you guys. This is how it looks. They've given this for the measurement to mount it on the wall. So this is for the measurement. And here is the instruction booklet on how to mount it. This is how it looks. You have 3 glasses here. The quality of glass is really good. It doesn't matter if you have a smaller brush or a bigger brush, thick brush, thin brush. All you have to do is just hang in your brush over here by the head and cover it, so you don't have to worry about any spiders getting on brush or any mosquitoes getting on brush, or even the dust particles or anything. This is the area where you can store your toothpaste, your hairbrush, your tongue cleaners, etc. So I really like it. The quality is very good. The second product that I ordered is this hair scalp massage shampoo brush from Hita. I bought this because I saw that there were like thousands of reviews about this product. People, they liked it, they loved it, they were swearing by it. So I thought, let's just give it a try. But when I bought this, I used it. I personally did not like it that much. I mean, it did not make, I did not see any difference between shampooing my hair with my fingers or using this. This is how it looks like. So it said that you put shampoo here and then just massage your scalp with this. And people, they were saying it stops hair fall. They're saying like they feel that their scalp is much more cleaner and stuff. But me personally, I just did not feel any difference. Like, I prefer washing my hair with my fingers only. I mean, that way I feel that I can reach all these spots and I can massage my scalp much better than this. I wouldn't recommend it, and I did not like it that much. Next product that I ordered is this nut milk bag from Mazar. So it's a set of 2 bags. These are nylon nut milk bags. The size is 12 by 12 inches. I haven't used it as yet, so I won't be able to provide any feedback on this. Next product that I ordered is this cocktail shaker bar set. This is a 9-piece set, and the size of the cocktail shaker is 25 ounce. So this is the cocktail shaker. This is 25 ounce, stainless steel. Overall, I like it. The only thing that I do not like in this is the edges are really sharp. So you have to be very careful while cleaning it. So all the edges, it's very sharp. So yeah, that's the only thing that I do not like about it. This set includes 2 liquor pourers, tongue, crusher, spoon, the measuring cup, the strainer, everything. The quality is really good and I like it. Next product that I ordered is this clip-on adjustable strainer. It comes with 2 funnels. There are a lot of colors available in this. I chose green. So this is the strainer. you just clip it on the pot like this, and then you can strain it. I did not like it that much. This is not that useful for me. It is very good if you cook very little quantity, and whatever you're straining is very little quantity. But if you have more in quantity, then it starts overflowing from the top and starts coming out of the pot. This is not that useful for me. These are the two funnels, the collapsible funnel that comes with it. The last product that I ordered is this facial cleansing massager. This is rechargeable. Silicone brush massager, and it is so cute, so soft. It has a 6-speed mode, and this is completely rechargeable. Very soft, very good. I've used it and I really like it. Comes with this USB charger. So those were all the products. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload my new video. Link to all the products will be in the description box below in case you want to check it out. I'll see you next week in a new video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.